Alright, today I'm working on this 2017 Volkswagen Jetta with the 2.0. So this one came in misfire, had random multiple misfire and misfire in every cylinder. What I noticed on this one, it mainly does it cold at idle. So if you turn the car on and you let it just sit there, at first the revolutions are going to be a little higher with the secondary air pump engaging, and then once the revolutions go down and it starts to sit there for maybe 30 seconds, all of a sudden you'll start to feel the misfire. I was noticing it a little bit worse on cylinder 4, so that's where I focused at first. Swapped coil, swapped plugs, making sure it wasn't something related. All of them had misfires, but cylinder 4 was a little worse than the other ones. I did pull apart the PCV valve. Now this one isn't the one, but I did pull it apart and damaged it in the process, so I did have to replace it. So I replaced it. Misfire continued. Once the vehicle warms up, the misfire goes away and it drives perfectly fine. If you're misfiring and it's cold, when it's cold and it's misfiring and you give it a little bit of gas, bring the RPMs up, misfire also went away. So I was at a loss. There weren't any other codes. At first I was thinking maybe bad fuel, something along that lines. I added some octane booster, still the same. Added some 91 good Conoco gas with the octane booster. It was still misfiring at cold. So I was a little bit at a loss. I had a hard time figuring this one out. Ultimately, guys, when it's misfiring and you disconnect this VVT sensor magnet and the misfire goes away, this is most likely going to be your issue. Now, it does have that oil control valve on the inside of this, but just considering disconnecting the sensor made the misfire go away, I replaced this VVT sensor magnet, cam sensor magnet, and that did resolve the issue. So again, if you have a random multiple misfire, mainly when the engine is cold at idle, no other codes. It didn't have. I've replaced the sensor before and had some misfires, but I've always had some kind of timing related code along with it. This one, oddly enough, never had any kind of timing codes, so that's what threw me through a whirl. It was running a little lean at the time of misfire, so that's where I smoke test. I made sure the fuel was good, wasn't a clogged injector or anything like that. I actually did swap injector from cylinder 4 to cylinder 1, still remained. And again, what was strange is cylinder 4 had more of the misfire, but ultimately ended up being this cam sensor magnet. Does affect quite a bit of the timing, and timing does affect the misfires. So like I said, it was just strange that I wasn't getting any timing codes, but in case you're struggling with a misfire at cold start, and then once it warms up, it completely went away. Once you accelerate a little bit, it completely went away. So what I did is I disconnected the sensor, and if the misfire went away, this is most likely going to be what you're dealing with. Gotta love Volkswagen.